Sensibility and practicality define the 2021 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a power seat, heated and ventilated seats, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you